Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by preparing your device and account so tracking works immediately. First, make sure location and internet are on. Without them, you cannot locate the phone. Next, sign into the device account used for Find My Mobile and enable remote features like remote unlock and location sharing. Once done, verify permissions for location and background access. This ensures the service can report the device's position and accept remote commands when you need them. Now you proceed to locating and securing the device. Open the Find My Mobile website or app and sign in with the same account. Pick the device from the list so you can see its last and live location on the map. If the phone is nearby, use Ring to make it audible. If it's lost, choose Lock to prevent access and display a message. Use Retrieve calls or messages and note battery and network status, because those affect accuracy and available actions. To finish, follow the map directions to recover your device, or if it's in an unsafe place, contact local authorities and provide the location details. Once you've attempted recovery, confirm remote actions completed successfully and unpair or factory reset only when necessary. If the device is offline, check the last seen timestamp and try again later. Make sure location, account sign-in, and internet were active. If problems persist, verify account credentials. Re-enable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.